It's been dubbed miracle water by the company that makes it, the ultimate antioxidant that can actually reverse some health ailments. But does water really have the power to heal? Kangen Water is being poured to a long line of devotees. But tonight, CBS 2's Christina McClarty puts it to the test.
Sounds like snake oil, right? How can water change your life?
How much water do you drink a day? Probably not enough. Better yet, what's in the water you're drinking?
I tell people they have the option. You could be taking prescription pills or get hydrated and alkaline, and you probably won't need them.
At Kangen Water World in Burbank, owner Harvey Brandman says he can't promise his water will cure you of any diseases, but he believes in the power of his water. Its roots in Japan, Kangen means return to origin.
I've lost my allergy to cats, lost acid reflux is gone.
You're supposed to drink half an ounce of water per pound of body weight. So if you're 120 pounds, you need 60 ounces of H2O. Purged of free radicals, Kangen Water has a pH balance of 8.5 to 11.0. City tap water is alkaline at 7.2, which is neutral.
When it's going into the machine, it's going into a filter, very high-grade filter, which lasts for 1,500 gallons. And then it's going to go through a unit in the back that has titanium and platinum plates, 230 watts of electricity, which causes the water to split into two waters.
This machine produces Kangen. One water is acidic, the other alkaline. To demonstrate just how powerful it is, Brandman conducted several experiments. First, how acidic are drinks we consume on a regular basis? From sports and energy drinks to Perrier and bottled water.
This is called an ORP meter. It actually measures if it's oxidizing or antioxidizing. So if I put this probe into the water, well, this is the soda, you can see that it's going to be around 400.
Sports drinks clock in at 300, bottled water around 200, and Kangen water?
See the minus sign? Now this is minus 400.
Then pH drops were added. The color green is neutral. Sports drinks were way acidic. Kangen water, the color purple, meaning it's alkaline. And next, a batch of cherry tomatoes washed in tap water, then in Kangen water. Look at the color of the Kangen water and the taste.
Flavors more robust.
Lastly, oil and water don't mix, right? Tap water with sesame oil separated. Sesame oil with Kangen water, though, emulsified. Client Charlotte McKenna has been drinking Kangen water for 9 months.
Well, I thought it was weird, at first, and then I saw this demonstration. It was, amazing to me. I had a lot of pain in my hands and my fingers. I have arthritis that went away within a week.
McKenna is also a breast cancer survivor.
I will have a much better chance never to get cancer again as long as my body is alkaline.
So is Kangen water perhaps the fountain of youth? Try it for yourself. The first 30 days are free.
They say, what have you been doing?
And both McKenna and Brandman say you have to taste it to believe it. In Burbank, I'm Christina McClarty, CBS 2 News.
But a word of caution now from Dr. Edmund Knoll of the USC Keck School of Medicine. He says, quote, "I'm concerned that our bodies can't accept alkalizing agents into an acidic stomach. If you change your pH, you will affect the absorption of essential nutrients and vitamins. You run the risk of affecting something somewhere else. There are no state secrets in medicine. If something is truly miraculous, we would all be using it." All right, enough said there.